Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can record a video in a 24 FPS, so let's get into it real quick. So at first, I want you to check out the camera settings of your phone. Usually these like built-in cameras are good enough, so if you open up the camera app like this, and let's say that you are on a main page and you can see a bunch of different things, right? You can go to the video mode, but perhaps you don't see the option to change it. Well, look for this thing right here at the top, which is titled video size. And in here, this allows you to change it, right? So you can change it from the full HD to, the even 4K and some different options. But below it, you have little numbers. So it says 30. So this is the FPS. You can switch it to 60 or perhaps go to 24 if you have that option, right? So I have the 24 FPS, but it is an 8K video, which as you can tell is, a huge resolution. So I don't think that a lot of people want that. But basically, if you don't find these options, click on more below, then check out the Pro video section. So perhaps more things are going to pop up in the same section. And it is in fact the truth, because we have much more options to pick from, even 24 FPS in full HD or the UHD, which is likely the 1080p video. So you can check it out, these like professional modes in your camera to see if anything else changes. But still, if it doesn't, you can look up some third-party apps on the Google Play Store. There is the Open Camera, which you can get for free. So this is what the app kind of looks like, the Open Camera. And if I open it up, you can see that I can even choose the frame rate right here as well inside of the settings of that app, right? So, it is another camera application. And inside of this one, if you open up the settings, you can change some different things right here as well, as I just shown you before. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. Usually you're going to be able to get it done with a built-in camera, but if not, then you're going to have to explore some third-party options as well. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later in the next one.